before I begin, I want to give a shout out to JK18 because it's another power switcher thing I found in a thrift store a couple weeks ago. Go me, I guess. Yeah. Either case, I saw this and I figured, I'll use another one. And it's got the rocker panel switches with the LEDs, but it also has a little dot on the top to let you know that it's on, off. On, off, that sort of thing. There's monitor, printer, aux1, aux2, but if you look at the back, we have computer, monitor, printer, aux1, aux2, unswitched. So I guess the unswitched and the computer are literally unswitched. Let's look at some information of these, which we have national lighting, transient voltage surge suppressors, model PC200. You are listed, line volts, 330 volts. Attention, I gotta be bilingual to read this. Made in China. So yeah, $5. So, was it needed? Not really, but it can be used because, well, I might be able to utilize that and another one. I think I have one that's a similar design into this, so I won't have to jumble switches and cords and whatnot. Don't worry, I plan on getting a better shelf eventually, or another shelf. Whatever. Either case, so let's plug something up and see what we can do. Like the stereo MCs once said, if you make sure you're connected, the writing's on the wall. But if your mind's protected, stumble you might fall. There's a wiring call, so that's good. And the switches, ooh, they light up. Ooh. Okay, the switches are green when off, but amber when on. Weird. Alright, let me just get something plugged in and test each outlet. And we'll go from there. First order of business, computer. And it's off, so let's, okay, that's on. Okay, so the computer is the main switch. So master's computer, okay, so that's good. Monitor is next. I can't run out of focus, but yeah, printer. Rather than do the auxiliaries separately, I figured I'd do them both, so. Unswitched. Which. Cool. So that's that. This, what was it again? I can't remember. Sorry, brain fart. This National Lighting Transient Surge Protector model PC200. I pocketed at a thrift store, and it works as it should. All the LEDs work, so it's all good. So next time, Eskie, thanks for watching. Comment box is open.